Hello everyone, welcome to another video from my channel, a channel that will empower you to create awesome content with your phone. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking about how to create a YouTube channel from scratch and verify your YouTube channel so that you can get started with your YouTube journey. So are you guys ready? Let's rock and roll. So to get started here, I'm assuming that you already have any Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, I personally recommend that you create a new Gmail account so that you can dedicate that account just for this particular channel. So once you've created a Gmail account, log on to youtube.com from where you can create your channel. Right now I'm on YouTube's homepage, and what you see here on the top right corner, you will see your initials or whatever the name you have created your Gmail account with. So once you click on that, you'll get all these options in the menu bar. Now you can do this on a phone as well. So once you click on this circular icon on the top right, you'll see all the options regarding creating your channels, etc. So what you need to do here is click on the tab that says settings. Now that would take you to the page that I'm here right now. Once you're here, you click on add or manage your channel. The next screen you see here is on the top left. You'll see a tab which says create a new channel. Click on that. Now here it gives you an option whether you want to basically create a channel with just your own name or a brand name or a business name. So before you actually start creating a YouTube channel, make sure you list down the niche that you're in and try to brainstorm all the names and the ideas you have. Now if you can't come up with a perfect name right away, do not worry about that. You could just get started with your own name, and YouTube allows you to change the name of the channel anytime you want. I'll be creating another video on this channel to show you exactly how to do that as well. So let's just pick a random name so we can get started with this video. So once you've decided the name, all you do is just click on create channel. So there you are, you have created your first YouTube channel. So even though your YouTube channel is now up and ready, you can upload videos, but there are certain things that it wouldn't allow you to do, like uploading a custom thumbnail, etc. So for that, what you need to do is verify your YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and do that so your channel is up and ready for you to rock and roll. So the next step is to verify your YouTube channel, because even though you can upload all your videos and stuff right now, but it wouldn't allow you to create custom thumbnails and a lot of other features that are not enabled on your account. So how you do that is you go on youtube.com/verify if you're already logged in. So to continue with the verification, you need to select the country that you're in, and then you need to select how you want to receive this verification code. So if you want to either receive it as a phone call or you want to receive it as a text message. So I'm going to go with the text message because I've got phone on me right now. So what you do is you just enter your phone number there, and you click on submit. It will send you a verification code. It's just a 6-digit number that you need to punch in, and that's how you verify your channel. And you can start posting your videos along with your personalized thumbnails, and all the other options will be enabled for you. So I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate if you could smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because all the upcoming videos are going to be how you can get started creating a YouTube channel just with your phone. So once again, thanks a lot for checking out my channel, and I'll hope to see you in the next one.